guys, in today's video I have a Louis Vuitton unboxing. So if you would like to see the Mon Monogram piece that I have recently acquired, please keep watching. Okay, now with all my unboxings, you guys know I like to talk, so I'm gonna annotate a timestamp at the bottom where you guys can skip directly to if you want to skip all the chatter and get to the unboxing. But of course I have a story. So this is actually my last Christmas gift from my parents. I originally, because I'm almost 30 and I still make a Christmas list, just because my parents still like to get me things and I don't live with them or in the same city, so we don't, like, they know what I like but they don't really know what I would want, so I make a Christmas list. So I had about 5 things on there, and one of the items on there was the Louis Vuitton Mon Monogram mini pochette, which if you don't know, you actually can get that piece made into a Mon Monogram, which is a customizable piece from Louis Vuitton with your initials on it. I will leave, I believe, Minx for All, her video down below, which is where I first actually heard that it was even possible on the mini pochette. And the reason why I wanted that was because back in November or December, I knew that I was going to be purchasing the Louis Vuitton Monogram No Way, which I will leave that unboxing also down below. That's Chloe. You guys said you didn't see her in the last video. There she is. That's what she likes to do. She is a princess and her birthday is actually coming up. Okay, but back to the video. So I really wanted the mini pochette because the No Way is like a large pit and I knew that I would need some organization in it. So I sent my parents like a screenshot of another item in the color combination that I wanted, so they would know how to order it, because for this item you actually have to go into the store and have your SA order it from the iPad. Like, it's not an item that is online. So they decided to get me something different because my dad said that item was so tiny, and when I went to pick this up, my sales associate said, yeah, your dad was insisting on getting you this and not the other one because he felt it was, I guess, a better gift or a better allocation of funds. I don't know. But this is what I have. So let's get into the unboxing. I'm super excited. Now, I have seen this item because I did go pick it up in store, and yeah. Can you guys guess what it is? I'm so excited. Does my foundation look weird? It's like overcast right now, but I promise I look normal in real life. So here's the box that it came in. And then I have, let's see, I believe the receipt came in here, but it just came out and it just says Louis Vuitton Lenox. I'll share with you guys all this later. So, dun, 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 the beautiful orange box. I know some people still don't like the orange boxes. I'm tired of the holiday ribbon and packaging, but I really like the orange boxes. I guess Chloe is like, I haven't seen it either, mama. So here we go, drawer box. And inside there's just a little card, a little booklet that says Mon Monogram. And here's our item. So you probably guessed by now it's a wallet. And without further ado, I'm so excited. Here we go. You guys, isn't she a beauty? I freaking love this wallet. Now, I know what you guys are probably saying. What's this indentation right here? You want to smell it? I know, you like inspecting everything that comes in the house. So when I first saw this from my essay, that was something that alarmed me, but it's just basically, I guess, the inner seam of whatever is at the bottom in the gusset of the wallet, because the bottom of it, like the actual bottom, is just canvas. So I think once I fill the wallet up, that little line will disappear. But to me, that's not a flaw. So I got the Mon Monogram Zippy wallet with the Bordeaux and fuchsia stripe, and then 3 of my initials because I have a lot of initials. So that's the variation I got. And the best part is that I got the fuchsia interior. Now, this is one thing I was kind of trying to figure out when I was deciding what color combination to get, because to me that's the hardest part about ordering Mon Monogram is the color combination. Now online this says that this is fuchsia. If you have any of the Louis Vuitton like wallets or SLGs, like the key holder, and it has the fuchsia button tab, that's a totally different color, and how it's showing on color is pretty accurate. This is different from the button of my 4 key holder, which I wish I had up here but I don't. I was trying to get them to match, but it doesn't exactly match, but it's beautiful pink color and I'm happy about that. So if you don't know much about the Zippy wallet, it is a larger style wallet that features a wrap around zipper, and inside you have space for 3, 6, 9, 12 card holders on the back of the wallet. You have a zippered coin compartment with a little tab that just says coated fabric, cowhide leather lining, and then you have this little slip pocket for like receipts or coupons, and then you have 1, 2, 3 spaces for like actually putting things. And what I really like about this wallet is if I didn't have this case with my pop socket on, well, my pop socket can still fit in here, but probably not when the wallet is full. If you're ever like running into the gas station or the grocery store, your iPhone will fit in it. Now I have an iPhone 7, it's not the Plus. I don't think the Plus will fit in here, but yeah, the regular size iPhone does. So I am so happy with this, and Dad, I know you're watching, so thank you again. I just think this is so special. A lot of people may think this is tacky, but for someone like myself who loves Louis Vuitton and who likes collecting Louis Vuitton, it's really nice to have a piece that is customized with your initials, and you can get an array of color options online. This wallet is on the pricey side, so regular pieces are a little less expensive. The Mon Monogram has to be actually made in France and it takes 8 weeks. So my parents ordered this on like December 22nd maybe, and I picked it up on February 3rd. So it took a little time to come in, but it was totally worth it. So this is called the Zippy wallet. They call it Mon Monogram, I guess. The code is P00033 and it retails for $1,100 before tax. So it really is a pricey item, but to me, because it has my initials on it, like one, of course I have to keep it. I don't really tend to sell my pieces, but this is like a keepsake item, and I know that I will keep this for years to come. Hopefully I have a daughter and I can pass it down to her. But I'm so happy. I don't know if I would want to get any other Mon Monogram pieces. I thought about getting the Mon Monogram mini pochette, but I think I'm just gonna get the regular monogram. I might possibly get the passport holder because I think that's a great travel wallet. So I don't travel internationally, but I think the passport holder will be a great travel wallet because I don't know about you guys, but when I'm traveling in the airport, I feel like I have my carry-on, my tote, my regular wallet, but I need to have like my ID, a credit card, and my boarding pass in one central location and something that's easy to open. So I think I may get that, but probably later on down the line. But I am just loving this wallet. I think it's so nice. Although it is not what I specifically requested, I'm super happy about it. I have always wanted a Zippy wallet, but they're so expensive. Like the regular Zippy wallets, I think range from like $700 to $900, and for me that's expensive for a wallet. And also I have a Louis Vuitton Clemence wallet, which I'll insert a picture here, and that's in the Vernis material, the Vernis print. I believe I did an unboxing on that as well, but these wallets are very different. This one is a little taller and you can hold more in it, and you really can't put your phone in the Clemence wallet. This is a little more flexible and it's a little larger. So I'm very happy about this, and I can't wait to start using it in my bags. It'll add a little pop of color. I will do a wear and tear video maybe in about a year just to see if whatever process this is, if it has started fading or chipping. I'm sure you can get that fixed. I don't see why you wouldn't be able to. But yeah, I am just loving this piece. So I wanted to share that with you guys. And I promise, after an unboxing I have at the beginning of next month, bless you baby, we won't have any unboxings for a while because there's not really anything from Louis Vuitton that I want. I mean, of course there are, but not anything that I can foresee myself buying, except for I really want to purchase the Neverfull pochette, the little pouch off Fashion File. Ooh, my lashes. Or just buy the Neverfull in the store. I'm not sure, but let me stop talking. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.